Okay, this time we having the proper chicken. Chicken with rice, and you can see there is sambal here. That's the fucking rice, and there is the chicken. This one is not fried chicken, it's baked chicken this time. So it's not gonna be as crunchy. See? It's baked on top of the rice. It's not gonna be as crunchy, but it's really good anyway. Look at that shit. Just look how juicy it is. We start with just the best part, the chicken skin. That's the fucking good shit. Absolutely fucking amazing. And we have some chicken. Just some chicken meat. And I don't know how the fuck do you eat. Gonna dip it in the sambal. Oh my fucking god, that's spicy. Oh. Yes. Hot gas behind me. Oh. Absolutely massage. This is the good shit. Now, rice with hand. This is first time for me. I never eat rice with hand before. So we have some rice with, it's falling apart. Okay, round 2. I knew this is gonna happen, so I prepared a spoon. See, so I'm gonna put a little bit of sambal on the rice, and like this, and with the chicken. Why is it so spicy? Okay, so just some rice. I mean, this is so fucking good. You know, and some chicken and some rice, and there is a little bit of sambal on top of it. Oops, the spoon is in the way. Yes, absolutely amazing. The chicken is nice and juicy. It's perfectly cooked. I didn't make this myself. This is from the store, by the way. Like, I didn't cook it, any of this, but it's really fucking good. The rice is a little bit too wet though, so if Uncle Roger see this, it's gonna be many hiya. But for me, it's fuyo, because it's fucking amazing. Okay, let's have it properly. Some sambal on the rice. See, properly. And now just a little bit of chicken. Okay, maybe not a little bit, maybe a lot of chicken. And with the rice and okay. I don't think I know how to eat the rice with hand, but I'm gonna learn. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, probably with a doner kebab with yolk sauce. What is yolk sauce? It's yolk sauce. Enjoy.